Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Pearsall, one of the chemistry professors here at the university. You may have seen the unboxing video I did of Chem 1. Well, now we're going to do it of Chem 2 because it's a little bit different. One of the biggest differences in the Chemistry 2 class is we actually use instrumentation, such as the LabQuest 2 from Vernier. And this instrumentation is the same instrumentation that are used in every chemistry class across the country. In addition to the Vernier equipment, we also have another chemistry lab kit. As with the Chemistry 1 lab kit, you have the same type of sheet here which tells you everything that's going to be in your lab kit, and you want to make sure you have everything. Safety is still of utmost importance, so you want to identify your safety bag first before you do anything else. Some of the different items in your Chemistry 2 lab kit include having a different type of clamp for your ring stand to actually hold a syringe, a test tube, or some of that instrumentation that we use in the various labs in this particular course. You also have a voltimeter, which is how we actually measure electrochemical cells, and this is another piece of instrumentation that you do get to keep. In addition, you do have a pocket-sized pH meter to allow you to take the pH of the various solutions in this course. As with Chemistry 1, we also have our box of chemicals, although you can see that it is a little bit different. A lot of the items that you're going to have in your Chemistry 2 box, you're going to also have had in your Chemistry 1 lab kit. Remember, you do get to keep everything that you see here. So all of your glassware and all of the probes and instrumentation, you get to keep that, and then you can use it in other courses as you build your lab supply at home. If you're interested in taking Chemistry 2 with us, courses do start periodically throughout the year, and for more information, visit the university website.